Page 1, the link's in the video description. First step here. Free training reveals how to earn $38.80 a month, and you can earn a lot more, but that's kind of just the number I chose here because that's like if you had 100 subscribers in ClickFunnels and you won the dream car and they were all in the $97 a month plan, that's what you'd end up making in passive income a month. So I kind of just tossed that figure in there. So basically, it's like the only thing you do here, give me my free training and funnel. They click on that. They're going to enter their first name and their email address and click give me my training and funnel. And if you guys are following along as you watch the video, this is exactly what you're going to do. Click give me my free training and funnel, enter your first name, enter your email address, click give me my free training and funnel. It's going to take you over to the second page of the funnel, which is the thank you page. So again, it's super simple, right? A lot of funnels would be like 6 or 7 pages. You got upsells, downsells, payment plans, whatever, right? But sometimes simple works. And sometimes the simpler you make something, the easier it is for folks to get started. And that's exactly what I wanted to do with the affiliate side hustle. Basically, I've built you a complete, done for you affiliate marketing business in a box, if you will. And everything's done for you. Well, at least 80% of the work's done for you. I would have liked to do 100% of the work for you guys, but I ran into technological limitations. There's a little bit, a few things you got to do to actually get this funnel live and up and running and start making money. But I did everything I could for you guys. I wanted to make this as turnkey as possible for you guys. Let's walk through the thank you page and see exactly what is the affiliate side hustle. Maybe some of you guys saw me post about it, right? And you're like, okay, that looks super cool. I don't even really know what affiliate marketing is. I don't get it. I don't know what the heck ClickFunnels is. I know you wear ClickFunnels t-shirt, promote the heck out of it all the time on Facebook and social media. I don't get what it is, so I'm not going to enter my email address because I don't really care and I don't really know. Totally cool. If that's you, you're in the right place. Maybe you opted into the affiliate side hustle funnel already, entered your email, entered your name, ended up on this page here, and then you kind of just stopped because you're like, well, all right, that's cool. I was excited, but now I don't really know what the heck I'm doing. Maybe you reached out to me on Messenger and you're like, Catlin, I need some extra help. And I was probably like, hey, go join my coaching program. I try to help people when I can, right? But again, like I do have a full-time job. I got a few different businesses I've invested in that I've got to work on, that kind of thing. So I'm happy to help folks as much as I can, but there's a limit to my time. So hopefully kind of in this one-to-many sort of group setting here, I can answer all of your questions and sort of walk you through not only sort of the framework, what's this funnel all about, but how can you actually take it and start making money with it? And that's the goal of today's live training.